This is the output of a while loop example. Want to know how it works? Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we're going to be initializing a variable called I. Then we're going to be writing the while loop. While I is less than or equal to 5, print hello. Then we're going to increment the I plus equal to 1. Okay. Now, here basically what the code does is every time it's gonna iterate the I variable. So first of all, here the I variable has the number 1. It's initialized as it has the value number 1. So it's gonna go through the while loop. So while 1 is less than or equal to 5, print hello. Now 1 is indeed less than 5, so it's gonna end up printing hello one time. Then it's gonna end up incrementing the I by adding plus 1 to the I. So the I variable has the value 2 in it. So 2 is less than 5, that's true. It's gonna end up printing hello 2 times. Then I plus equal to 1, it becomes 3. So I is equal to 3, then I is less than or equal to 5, meaning 3 is less than 5 is true, then and so on. So now once it hits 6 is a less than or equal to 5. So is 6 less than 5? No, that's not true. Is 6 equal to 5? No, that's not true either. Now what about 5? 5 is less than 5, that's false, but 5 is equal to 5, that's true. So it's gonna end up printing hello for the last time, which is when the I reaches the 5th variable. But when it reaches 6, it won't print hello. So this is why in this program it's only gonna end up printing hello only 5 times, like I showed you guys in the beginning. Okay. Now, let me show you a really common mistake that beginners often make, which is when they forget to add incrementation to the I variable or to the whatever variable that you named. So now it stays 1. So is 1 less than or equal to 5? That's true. 1 is less than 5, meaning it's gonna end up printing hello like infinite amount of times. Now, if you don't believe me, let's check it out. Clear terminal, and as you can see, it ends up printing hello infinite amount of times, which is a mistake that you should never make. So let me just stop the program right now. Okay. So yeah, this is a mistake that you should never make. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.